Minto focuses on four main areas to manage net operating income, the first of which is yield management. They do this in several ways, including leveraging suite types, views, and length of stay strategies. Secondly, they reduce operating costs by benchmarking similar portfolios and identifying operating and productivity opportunities and efficiencies. The third, energy management. By completing a detailed energy audit, they best apply the latest technologies to reduce utilities, while maintaining a high-quality experience for their customers. And the last area of focus to manage net operating income is leveraging additional revenue, like contracts with Rogers, Bell, and Coinmatic. With 3 high-rise towers totaling 409 suites, rental revenues for Leslie York Mills had eroded relative to market over time. Building exteriors and landscaping had been neglected. Common areas were in desperate need of cosmetic upgrades. Marketing and signage were poor or non-existent, and the rental office was hidden and lacked modern standards. Despite these issues, Minto identified the potential for considerable income growth, value appreciation, and site intensification of the property during the acquisition process. Bounded by York Mills Road, Leslie Street, and Farmstead Road, the property is located in the heart of York Mills Don Mills, one of Toronto's most affluent neighborhoods. It is also well served by public transit, with close proximity to major highways and direct access to downtown Toronto. With excellent schools, parks, retail outlets, and restaurants lining the property, the Minto team saw a real opportunity to utilize its strengths to create a terrific investment opportunity. To improve tenant profile, reduce turnover, and enhance customer experience, common areas were refurbished in the lobbies, corridors, and laundry rooms. Brand new business centers, a management office, party room, lounges, and gyms were added. New balconies were installed as well as new plumbing, and the garage received much-needed repairs. This dramatic transformation elicited significant results for investors. Total revitalization came in under budget and ahead of pro forma. A $400 per rental unit market rent increase was achieved. Energy-efficient plumbing and lighting resulted in utility savings of more than $100,000 per year, with a payback in just over 2 years. Needless to say, investor expectations were exceeded. Minto. Be inspired.